Hello, welcome back. Shoes, part 2. Here we go. Do you know all 22? There is a bonus question. These are bowling shoes. These are bowling shoes. These are ballet shoes. These are ballet shoes. These are steel-toe boots. These are steel-toed boots. These are ankle boots. These are ankle boots. These are riding boots. These are riding boots. These are climbing shoes. These are climbing shoes or rock climbing shoes. These are rock climbing shoes. These are snowshoes. These are snowshoes. These are golf shoes. These are golf shoes. These are flats. These are flats. These are tennis shoes. These are tennis shoes. These are basketball shoes. These are basketball shoes. These are Crocs. These are Crocs. These are Uggs. These are Uggs. These are combat boots. These are combat boots. These are Converse. These are Converse. These are ballet flats. These are ballet flats. These are Mary Janes. These are Mary Janes. These are tap shoes. These are tap shoes. These are gladiator sandals. These are gladiator sandals. These are harness boots. These are harness boots. These are fins. These are fins or swimming fins. These are swimming fins. These are chukka boots. These are chukka boots. How did you do? Tell me below. Great job! Now, let's go through these a bit faster. Bowling shoes. Ballet shoes. Steel-toe boots. Ankle boots. Riding boots. Climbing shoes. Snowshoes. Golf shoes. Flats. Tennis shoes. Basketball shoes. Crocs. Uggs. Combat boots. Converse. Ballet flats. Mary Jane's. Tap shoes. Gladiator sandals. Harness boots. Fins. Chukka boots. Wait, I have a bonus question. What is it called when someone is not wearing socks or shoes? Barefoot. This person is barefoot. What are these shoes called where you live? I'm curious. Tell me below. Thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.